Hi everyone. On Windows 11, you can use the Snipping tool to hide, redact sensitive information before sharing a screenshot with other people, and in this guide, you will learn how. Snipping tool includes the Text Actions feature that can detect text on screenshots and take different actions, including the ability to hide sensitive information, specific text, emails, and phone numbers. And since the app features OCR, optical character recognition, support technology, it's also possible to extract text from screenshots. This guide will teach you the steps to redact content and extract text from screenshots in the latest version of the Snipping tool. Use these steps. First, open Snipping tool on Windows 11 and click the Snip button. Next, click the New button and choose the snipping mode. Next, capture the screenshot on Windows 11 and click the Text Actions button in the command bar. Next, select the text to hide, right-click the selection and choose the Redact text option, and click the Quick Redact button to hide emails and phones automatically. Next, open the menu next to the Quick Redact option and choose the Remove All Redactions option to unhide the text, and click the Save button. Once you complete the steps, the Snipping tool will hide the contents from the screenshot.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.